हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट ओमी और आज हम बात करेंगे एनएफटीज के बारे में, गेम्स के बारे में। एंड एज भी डिस्कस येस्टरडे कि आज हम लोग एनएफटीज और ये सारी चीज़ें देखेंगे। तो पहले स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई थिंक एक इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है, हम वो जल्दी से न्यूज़ देख लेते हैं। जल्दी से एक क्विक मार्केट अपडेट भी ले लेते हैं ताकि जिसको भी जो ट्रेड्स आज लेनी है उनके लिए आसानी हो जाए। तो लेट्स गेट इनटू थिंग्स एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन। तो ये एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है जिस्ट हैपेंड रिसेंटली एंड यूएस ट्रेजरी प्लानिंग टू क्रैक डाउन एज स्टेबल कॉइन फियर्स ग्रो। तो इसमें हुआ ये है कि यूएसडीटी थेटर है। अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव अ मिसकंसेप्शन दैट यूएसडीटी इज फेडरल यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स डिजिटल डॉलर, बट द रियलिटी इज इट्स नॉट। और ये एक बंदे का कॉइन है, इसलिए ही इसने इस कॉइन के आगे टी लगा दिया है। अदरवाइज इट वुड बी अ यूएसडी डिजिटल कॉइन, राइट? बट इट्स यूएसडीटी। तो इसके साथ बहुत सारे मसले चल रहे हैं। अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल ऑलवेज टेल यू कि यार यूएसडीटी नहीं इस्तेमाल किया करो, डोंट कीप इट। आई वुड सेकंड दैट। मैं भी आपको यही बोलूँगा, यूएसडीटी नहीं रखा करें, यूएसडीटी नहीं इस्तेमाल किया करें। अगर आपको ट्रेड लेनी है और यू नीड टू हैव सम मनी इन योर वॉलेट फॉर इनिशियल सेटिंग अप योर वॉलेट स्टेजेस एंड ऑल दैट, तो वहाँ तक सही है। बट आफ्टरवर्ड्स हमेशा कोशिश किया करें कि कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव रख लिया करें। तो दे आर लॉट ऑफ ऑल्टरनेटिव्स दैट यू कैन फाइंड। I'll just tell you one. Try to use BUSD if you trade on Binance. Otherwise, there's USDC. तो इनमें से कोई भी यूज़ कर लिया करें, थोड़ा अवॉइड कर लें USDT को। ठीक है, तो ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट खबर थी, मैंने बोला आपको जल्दी से जल्दी बता दें ताकि आप लोगों के लिए ईजी हो जाए एंड यू कुड ट्रेड स्ट्रेस फ्री ओवर दिस वीकेंड। तो अब हम लोग चलते हैं अपनी दूसरी चीज़ों के अंदर और सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं ओपन सी। तो ओपन सी जो है वो सबसे बड़ी मार्केट प्लेस है। येस्टरडे ऑब्वियसली ओपन सी में एक इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग बैन शाइन और ये सब भी हो गया था, बट खैर है, हमें पता है उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो गई है। द पर्सन हु डिड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी गोना बी पीनलाइज। और दिस द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट बीइंग इन द क्रिप्टो वर्ल्ड कि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंसी होती है एंड यू विल ऑलवेज फाइंड आउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग। सो अब हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते हैं तो टॉप हम लोग रैंक के पेज पे है। तो टॉप एन क्या चल रही है, लाइक आई डिस्कस, आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइस कि यार क्या क्या ट्रेंड में है क्या नहीं, आई विल शेयर इट विद यू गाइस। और फिर अगर इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू परचेज एन गेट इन टू इट फ्रॉम माई साइड, दिस अ बिग थम्स अप। यू शुड ऑलवेज गेट इन टू इट एंड ट्रेड बिकॉज अर्ली इन्वेस्टर्स ऑलवेज मेक द हाइस्ट गेन्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड, तो never be speculative. If you have some extra cash on the side, just invest and try your luck. You never know. So इसमें क्रिप्टो पंक्स हैं। क्रिप्टो पंक्स आर रियली रियली फेमस। वी आर हैविंग celebrities like Jay-Z, Stephen Curry, so on so forth. There's so many famous people जो अभी क्रिप्टो पंक्स ओन करते हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ देम की जो है ट्विटर की पिक्चर, सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स की पिक्चर आते हैं क्रिप्टो पंक्स। फिर है आर्ट ब्लॉक्स क्यूरेटेड। आई एम नॉट श्योर कि ये क्या है, मैंने भी अभी तक नहीं देखा है। तो एक है स्नीकी वाइपर्स और फिर है बोर्ड एप येट क्लब। तो ये तो हमने उस दिन भी आपको दिखाया था, अगर आपको हमारी पहली वाली एनएफटी की वीडियो याद हो, यू वुड हैव सीन दैट टू। और फिर ये है टोड्स, मैंने आपको कल भी बताया, अगर टोड्स भी ट्रेंड में हैं। 888 इनर सर्कल, फिर है कूल कैट्स एनएफटी, फिर है क्रिप्टो डैड्स, म्यूटेंट एप यार्ड क्लब, साइबर कॉन्ग्स, गैलेक्सी एग्स, वी फ्रेंड्स। चलिए एक काम करते हैं, स्टार्ट में लेते हैं और थोड़ा चेक करते हैं कि ये अंदर इनके क्या क्या है और क्या क्या सिस्टम है। तो ये क्रिप्टो पंक्स खुल रहा है। इनके पास इस वक्त 10 के आइटम्स हैं, 3.1 के ओनर्स हैं उन आइटम्स के। वॉल्यूम ट्रेडेड, ओ माय गॉड, 500.5 के इथेरियम अभी तक ऑलरेडी इधर ट्रेड हो चुका है। दैट्स अ बिग नाइस अमाउंट। और फ्लोर प्राइस नहीं आ रही, यूजुअली आपको एक फ्लोर प्राइस मिल जाएगी दैट गिव्स यू एन एवरेज प्राइस दैट दिस स्टोर हैज़। तो इट्स अ गुड इंडिकेटर। So these are few crypto punks. I guess they're all for sale or they're available right now. Interesting. और भी चीज़ें कुछ देखते हैं कि और चीज़ें क्या हैं। ये देखते हैं आर्ट ब्लॉक्स, looks interesting. Another thing, you have to make sure you use a very fast laptop or a nice laptop because especially जो NFT की websites हैं, they're very heavy. So you need to have a very good internet and a very good laptop or whatever device you are using. तो आई लाइक दिस वन। प्राइस भी फिर वैसी है 1.6348 इथेरियम। इंटरेस्टिंग यार, मतलब एक डिफरेंट किस्म का आर्ट है। आई रियली लाइक इट। आई डोंट नो व्हाट अदर पीपल थिंक। बोर्ड एप भी देख लेते हैं, ये भी देखते हैं, वाई नॉट। स्नीकी वैम्पायर भी देख लेते हैं और बोर्ड एप भी देख लेते हैं। लेट्स चेक ऑल ऑफ वो, मतलब एटलीस्ट फिर हम लोग ये सेटिस्फेक्शन तो हो गई ना, वी ट्राइड द टॉप 4 सो वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ रियली ट्रेंडिंग दीस डेज। ये क्या था? स्नीकी वैम्पायर सिंडिकेट। अभी जैसे देखें इसमें फ्लोर प्राइस आ रही है, सो यू ऑलरेडी नो, लाइक 1.5 इथेरियम तक एक होगी, और दूसरी ओ माय तकरीबन 9 के वॉल्यूम ट्रेडेड हो चुकी है। दे हैव 8.9 के आइटम्स एंड दे हैव 4.8 के ओनर्स ऑफ दोज आइटम्स। ओ माय, दिस लुक्स अमेजिंग। आई लाइक दिस वन। आई लाइक दिस टू। ये भी अच्छी है, मतलब दिस नाइस। This one is really nice considering COVID and all. He's got the laser eyes. I really like this one actually. Not like interesting. They aren't as expensive as CryptoPunks were. I really like this one and kind of seems affordable. 4 days left. Maybe I'm gonna bid on these after I finish this video. Maybe you'll see any of them in my IDs. You never know. तो अब देखते हैं बोर्ड ऐप यार्ड क्लब। इसमें भी देखते हैं फ्लोर प्राइस। ओ माय, 39 इथेरियम, 1,64.6K, 10K, 5.5K। क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग। आई गेस यू गाइस गेट द आइडिया। ये तो बहुत महंगी है यार। ऑल ऑफ देम आर लाइक 35 इथेरियम मिनिमम। 1 इथेरियम राइट नाउ इज ट्रेडिंग एट 3,400 USD। दिस इज टू एक्सपेंसिव। ये अच्छा है फिर भी। This you can still afford and it's quite up right now, so if you get it, maybe in the long run it would go to 33,000 33 Ethereum as well. You never know, your luck just changes. Or भी हैं, but this is how basically you just have to go to OpenSea, and then on OpenSea you just have to go on stats. From stats you get ranking and you'll always know कि कौन सी trending है. Let's check out Solana also. I've been trying to open their website for some time now, but unfortunately इनकी website ही सही से नहीं खुल रही है. I guess they have some issue going on in Solana's mainnet or something. Oh, finally it did actually open fine. ये Solana का marketplace है, Solana Art, Solan Art, and let's go and see the collections. They have Degen Ape Academy, Fancy Frenchies, Soul Punks. So everybody is kind of copying some sort of art. वहाँ पे अभी हमने देखा क्रिप्टो पंक्स, यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं सोल पंक्स. So I know the artist gonna say कि यार ये inspiration थी मेरी. That's the thing they always say. I was inspired from the other person's art. Obviously आप बोल तो सकते नहीं हो कि I'm copying your art. तो seems like कि अभी they have art but मतलब इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. चलो let's try with this Solana back punks. Quite same, not much difference. Price is also quite high considering 1 Ethereum is about $100 plus right now. 85. Actually they're all very expensive. I understand कि CryptoPunk क्यों expensive है, it's on Ethereum blockchain and all, but why are these so expensive? I don't understand yet, and it's still a developing ecosystem. तो यार अभी कुछ बोल नहीं सकते हैं, मे बी बाद में पता चलेगा ट्रूली कि वाकई ये क्यों इतने महंगे हैं. काफ़ी हैं. But I guess you guys get the idea. So let's move on to Sandbox. Sandbox is a game. We're also gonna talk about gaming NFTs. I haven't played all these games. I wanna be really honest here. But मुझे पता है कुछ लोग खेल रहे हैं. They've been making good money. I'm not a very gaming kind of guy, so you know I really don't play these games. So what is on the Sandbox? This is the website. The Sandbox key. So they have some partners where there's South China Morning Post, the Smurfs, Roller Coaster, The Walking Dead, Hell's Kitchen. Wow. So let's see what they do. Discover the Sandbox. The Sandbox is a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their virtual experiences. We empower artists, creators, players to build their platform they always envision, providing the means to unleash your creativity. Interesting. Obviously, this is a very creative place. You play games, build them, become a landowner. Okay. Why sand? Sand is our main utility token that allows you to buy and sell lands and assets in the Sandbox metaverse. NFTs. Let's check them out. Buy asset. Welcome to the NFT marketplace. Alright. What kind of NFTs are these, man? Dragon God Spa. Flashing Sand Coin, Treehouse. Okay, I get it. This is probably like a game जहाँ पर आपको land मिलेगा. You'll buy the land. After you buy the land, you're gonna be doing different things on those lands, maybe development purposes or different things. So while you're doing all these things, you would need, I guess, treehouse and you know all those things. Yeah, characters also, Japanese spider crab. Wow. तो फिर आप ये सारी चीज़ उसमें इंटीग्रेट करोगे. स्लोली इज गोना कम इनटू अ मेटावर्स वेयर देयर बी अ सिटी, अनदर वर्ल्ड इनसाइड that city that everyone's built around it. And I'm sure then you'll have your character, and your character will have a friend which will be your real world friend, and then you guys will have a virtual life in that game while you guys also know yourself in reality. You know, that's what's gonna happen. So अभी ऐसी चीज़ें भी बूम कर रही हैं. Times are changing. The faster you keep up with the time, the faster the things are better. Let's get into another game. ये तो हमने देख लिया. एक और गेम भी देख लेते हैं which is more popular than this. That would be XC Infinity. A lot of people are playing it. You can get their characters on scholarship. A lot of Philippines, most of the Philippines right now is making money from this game, and you know they've taken over it. So this is the official website of the game. Again, I haven't played the game yet. I do plan to play this one whenever I get time and I'm free, and it kind of looks better than the Sandbox one. Like, I'm not interested in buying land, man, and then just build it and you know, do what. So in this we have battle, you collect things and then you earn, so you know it still makes sense. These are some information, how much Ethereum ever sold. I really like the layout also of their game. So let's get into their marketplace and see what kind of things you get on XC Infinity marketplace. Alright, they have a total value of 16.59 million. Oh my god, that's amazing. Imagine it just started recently. This game literally just started few months ago. You know, I can't remember the exact date right now. It was just few months ago, you know. It's not that far gone. So let's see. ये I guess XCs हैं, ये lands हैं, ये items हैं, and then you get a whole bundle. Recently listed, recently sold. Let's see recently sold. So this guy bought this. Anthony, I guess, is the buyer. Beast Breeder Riss. Alright, so this guy, I don't know what this character actually does. This was $244. Can you imagine? This is $468. $142, $292. Let's check out what's the price of land in this game. Oh my god, लैंड तो बहुत ही महंगा है भाई. इट्स इनसेन. मतलब ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है रियल लाइफ में बंदा कोई प्लॉट खरीदने जा रहा है. दिस इज टू मच, बट इट्स गुड. यू नो, दिस वाज माय पर्पस ऑफ शोइंग यू गाइस के मतलब व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द एनएफटी वर्ल्ड. These are some rare things. It says rare, epic. They're all right. $100, $140, $150. What is this? $2,612. This is a Club de los Locos. I'm not really sure because I haven't played the game, but we get a rough idea what's happening in this game and what are the prices of things. While games are getting very expensive, I'm sure most parents would be stressed right now seeing the amount of numbers on the screen. So 2000, oh my god. But alright, this is still a bundle. I guess you'll get some XC, probably small piece of land if you're lucky enough. But I guess you'll get a XC or two XCs an item, and it will be all in a bundle. Let's move on to another game, that is Mobox. Again, I haven't played this game either, but we just want to see what's happening in the gaming NFT industry. So let's get all right, it's on, yeah, I know it's very famous on Binance. So these are the games they have: Momo Farmer, Momo Block Brawler, Momo Token Master, Trade Action, Momo Tactical Player Store. All right, no thank you, not interested to play right now. Gaming NFT is free to play, play to earn. So where do we see your NFTs, man? Oh, that's so cute. This is really cute. They got a pick too. And what else they have? So you have to buy these momos, buy a box raffle, coin market cap, robot. Yeah, so here we go. These are, I guess, the last few that are getting sold. Interesting, man. Number one M box listed on Binance Launchpad. I guess this is like how these are the games available, and yeah, this is how I think the character in the game that you need, and you have to obviously buy it in order to play the game. As we're seeing, this is happening everywhere now. So let's move on and see more games. This is another game very famous, My Neighbor Alice, and similar pattern. You have to buy land, build things on your land, and then you'll have a friends, you'll have a community, and you'll be part of that metaverse. There you go. These are some investors in the company. The Sandbox invested in this game as well. Interesting, because we just visited Sandbox website. This is Alice. So what do we buy in Alice? NFT marketplace coming soon. So yeah, Alice marketplace is not open yet. It's gonna be coming soon. Let's check out another one that's called Decentraland. So yeah, this is the Decentraland. Let's see, where do I need to play? A PC or a Mac running on Chrome or Firefox. Can I play on mobile? For the moment we don't support mobile devices, but please stay tuned. Can I log in from multiple computers? Yes, you can run Decentraland from multiple computers as long as you have a digital wallet installed on each machine. Alright, so this is another game, I guess. You play this and then you make coins too. So this is all from today for our NFT games. I just wanted to introduce you guys to the space, or kya ho raha hai, kya nahi ho raha hai. I hope you guys seen. I've shown you guys, I think, 3 to 4 different games, the ones I know about and the ones that are very famous, because there'll be others too. I'm sure the massive industry is booming right now. We'll be seeing a lot of games coming in. और NFT का यही है, Solana have them, Ethereum have them. If you want to buy on Ethereum, you can try Rarible.com or OpenSea.com. OpenSea's advice, like, people like it more, you know. If you want to do that, I personally use Rarible because I knew OpenSea is gonna do some insider trading thing. So either way, it's up to you, it's your choice. If you like any one of them, you can go for it. तो अब हम लोग चलते हैं अपने चार्ट्स देखते हैं, टीए देखते हैं, ग्रीड देखते हैं और कॉइन कैप देखते हैं. तो लेट्स गेट इनटू ग्रीड थी भाई, आज हम आ गए हैं वापस 50 पे. मार्केट इज न्यूट्रल, थिंग्स आर 50-50, राइट इन द सेंटर, अ बिग 50. तो आई डोंट सी मच चेंजेस, मतलब आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि कोई ड्रास्टिक शिफ्ट आएगा. सिंस वी आर ऑलरेडी ऑन द वीकेंड, आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग बिग. नाउ वी गेट इनटू द कॉइन्स और हम देखें कॉइन कैप के अंदर क्या चल रहा है, तो वी कैन सी 2%, 1%, 1%, 1.34%, 1.5%, 13%, 3%. Solana's gone up. Yesterday we saw Solana was down. Today it's up. So always remember, when the coin is in correction and you wanna buy it, always buy it, and then you can sell it when the candles go green. Always buy the red. I've seen a lot of people make mistake. They always buy the green. Don't buy the green. You buy the red and you sell on the green. Simple. So let's go further and carry on fast and see what's going on. ICP की एक न्यूज़ आई है. ICP is gonna be doing something very big with Ethereum. We're gonna share that on Monday. Polygon Matic is up, Filecoin is up, Cosmos is 15% up, very good. FTX is about 2.36%. Tron alright, VeChain is down, DAI is down, Theta is up, EOS is down, AV is down, Elrond is down. Alright, let's just go through. Kusama is up. Most coins are what it looks like from here. कि market is quite sideways. That's what I can tell. Because कुछ coins हैं जिनमें बहुत gain है. Otherwise it's like 5%, 10%, and the max we saw was in Solana. What we'll do is, one time we wanna click here. So we have Cosmos was the highest, then we have Solana, then we have AVAX. See, we were about to just miss AVAX today if we didn't click here. So always remember, click here, you'll get to know which were the highest, and if you click again, you'll see which were the lowest. It will help you decide things easier. Ravenview पर है. So basically these, from ICP to Cosmos, they're all doing well. We've already seen the greed, so now let's go into our charts and see what's happening in the market. I really hope the market does well over this weekend. We start with Ethereum. In Ethereum, I've noticed there's a inverse cup and handle. This is the cup and this is your handle, and then now we're going down. So not really sure how things will react to it, but the cup is confirmed. As you can see, this is the cup and this is the handle, and now we're going down. But अब ये नीचे से ऊपर कब आएगा, मार्केट कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी, कुछ Ethereum has so much bullish news. Like, why should Ethereum go down? Ethereum don't wanna go down, man. तो BTC को भी देखते हैं, BTC की dominance भी चेक करते हैं. What's going on in BTC dominance? BTC dominance have starting to take support from my yellow line, which was being used as resistance here, and now it has converted into support, and it's nicely just resting and sitting on the yellow line itself. Let's just see BTC. BTC is a bit sideways, as we can see here. BTC is quite sideways. Ethereum भी देखते हैं. Ethereum भी अब बस नीचे ही जा रहा है, because we've seen कि उसकी domination भी is not at the best place where we would have wanted. AXS, KSM, nothing really special. बस एक दफ़ा Solana को देख लेते हैं, because Solana is pumping. Solana went up from here to here. Solana is looking good. I hope some people are gonna make some good profits in Solana this weekend. We're not gonna be coming tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday and I'm gonna take off and rest. So we're gonna be back on a Monday. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care, enjoy your weekend, keep a big smile, and bye bye guys.